Solve for r. In the equation, s is equal to 4 pi r squared. Leave plus or minus in your answer. Let's just rewrite that equation, s equal 4 pi r squared. Notice that we want to solve for r. So here's what we'd wish to isolate by itself. So we need to start by dividing both sides by 4 pi. This is a product. Divide the right-hand side by 4 pi. Divide the left-hand side by 4 pi as well. This isolates our r squared value. I'm going to reverse sides here and write this as r squared on the left is equal to s over 4 pi. Now we want to take the square root of both sides to get r by itself and consider both our plus and minus, our positive and negative roots. So r is equal to plus or minus the square root of s over 4 pi. Let's simplify this a little bit. We can take that square root of 4 out, and I'm going to separate our radicals and write this as a square root of s in the numerator over 2 times the square root of pi in the denominator. As a last step, let's rationalize the denominator by multiplying numerator and denominator by the square root of pi. This gives r is equal to plus or minus, in the numerator, the square root of s times pi. In the denominator, we've got that number 2. Square root of pi times the square root of pi is pi. So after solving for r, this should read r is equal to plus or minus the square root of s times pi over 2 times pi.